Hello everyone, welcome to Python tutorial. This tutorial I will discuss very important Python trick to take multiple user inputs from the user. So for example, if I want to take three numbers from the user as input, let's say what we usually do. This is enter first number. Let me copy. So first number, and now I will copy this and it. So A, B, and C. These are the three numbers. Okay, fine. And now I will print the numbers. Okay, fine. So now I will run this cell, and you can see in the output. So enter first number. Let's say the first number is 25. Second number is, let's say, 34. Third number is 78, and you can see the output numbers are 25, 24, 78. Okay, so now I am going to comment this. Now I will show you a trick to take multiple numbers from user, to take multiple inputs from user easily. So how we can do this? So for that, so here I will write enter three numbers separated by space. I will use split function, and then I will have three numbers a, b, comma, c. So this is the trick. I will pass these numbers in the map function, and I will store the values in a, comma, b, comma, c. And let me copy this. So let's run this. So enter three numbers separated by space, and you can see the output. So here I will enter three numbers, and you can see the output numbers are 45, 67, 80. So instead of using this input function three times, I am using only one time, and I can take multiple numbers with the this input function. It's very easy to use. Similarly, you can, here you can have the four numbers as well. Enter four numbers separated by space, four numbers, and here I will print four numbers. Very easy. So save it and run it. So enter four numbers separated by space, as you can see. So let's enter four numbers, and you can see the numbers are 45, 67, 76, 88. Okay, so it's a very important trick. Otherwise I would have to use four times this statement, this input function. Four times I have to use for entering the four numbers. So it's a useful trick. So this way you can take input from the user easily. Thank you for watching.